Well, the US president has left the country, but some BJP leaders are apparently reluctant to let go. Barack Obama's visit was used by the BJP's Kiran Bedi as a selling point as she campaigned in Delhi today, something that didn't go down very well with her political opponents.
आज ओबामा जी आए, सारा हिंदुस्तान उड़ रहा है ना, सारा हिंदुस्तान उड़ रहा है और दुनिया का नंबर 1 देश दिखने लग गया है.
Barely has President Obama left that the BJP's chief ministerial nominee virtually marshaled him into her political campaign.
You're trying to politicize Obama's visit out here.
I'm not doing that. I'm speaking only as a proud citizen and a proud Indian.
And she wasn't the only one from the BJP.
दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए पर्याप्त है कि अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति भारत की 26 जनवरी के अंदर भारत के गणतंत्र दिवस के अंदर आया, ये दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए काफी है.
But Obama's direct comments on religious freedoms in Delhi drew a defensive response. A few BJP leaders have made very controversial comments on minorities.
Every person has the right to practice their faith how they choose, or to practice no faith at all and to do so free of persecution and fear and discrimination.
Because we have had leaders in the past, even show cause notices have been issued against some of the leaders in your own party.
So the party is dealing with them.
In fact, in November last year, communal clashes in Delhi's Trilokpuri had grabbed headlines. While extra police had been deployed, it has further polarized votes in the area.
ओबामा ने भारत की हालत देख रहा है कि भारत की हालत धर्म के बारे में क्या सिचुएशन है, तो इसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को देखते हुए उसने ऐसा बोला है.
With President Obama's visit now over, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to hit the campaign trail. He will address 4 rallies in Delhi, and not just that, 11 union ministers along with 70 members of parliament from the BJP have also been roped in to micromanage campaigning for the party as we get ready for the final phase of campaigning in the capital. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.